Hey guys, welcome to this video. I want to tell you about two live videos that we'll be doing today, September the 9th. So the first will be at 1 p.m. Central Time, so that would be 2 o'clock Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific Time. And that will be a free webinar, and there'll be a sign up link and that you can click on in the description and in the comments, and that will take you there. You can just sign up for it. It's a weekly webinar. We'll be going over some of the steps to correcting credit report errors. And we'll actually put some errors up on the screen, actually some real credit reports, and then together we'll identify those errors, and then we'll type up an actual letter. Like, how would we describe to the credit bureaus this particular account, what is wrong and what we want them to do? And then the second thing will be at 4 p.m. Central Time, and that is our Legal Ease show that I typically do with Stephen Palmieri, who is a credit repair. He owns a credit repair place, he has credit repair software, and he does a lot of training for folks all over the nation that run credit repair companies. And we typically do this on the second and fourth Thursdays of the month. I think it's been about 6 weeks. Either he's been traveling or I've been traveling. So the show has been going on, but we haven't been together here in about 6 weeks. So we'll get the band back together today at 4 o'clock. And you can watch that on this YouTube channel. You can find my Facebook channel, Alabama Consumer Protection Attorneys. And you can also find Stephen's group, and it's called Pre-Litigation Dispute. And but it may just be easier to watch it here on this YouTube channel if you're watching this here. So if you can join us, we talk a little bit, we catch up for maybe first 5 minutes while people join in, and then really all we do is answer your questions about maybe the FDCPA, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, Fair Credit Reporting Act, credit repair, being sued by debt collectors, whatever consumer issues you have. We will do our best to answer those. So bring questions. Otherwise, Steve and I have to look at each other and try to think of something to talk about. So I hope you can join us, and you guys have a fantastic day, and hope to see you at one or both of those trainings. Remember, the webinar is at 1 o'clock Central, and the Legalese show is at 4 o'clock Central. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.